Okay, so a big update just dropped on the Arcade platform, and it's live as of just a few minutes ago. With no downtime, no restart, just faster, smarter, and more stable bot performance. And really, what changed was a complete backend overhaul. We also enabled multi region hosting, so we're able to host more reliably across different continents. We also, and this is the part where I'm actually able to show you today, um, have an AI AutoFix, which is like QA coming soon, and then also option strategy backtesting. So all of that we're going to be able to cover today. First, let's go ahead and jump into the backend overhaul. I'll kind of give you some more information about that. This update was mostly behind the scenes, but it unlocks a ton for what we're building next. We have completely reworked strategies. We completely reworked how strategies are stored and hosted. They're now running on a production grade system with multi region support, so your bots can scale better, stay more stable, and eventually be hosted close to where you trade. And that reduces latency. Super huge. Number two, this is going to be coming soon. It's the AutoFix system. So this update, right, this behind the scenes update laid the foundation for something we're really excited about, which is Arcaide's AI AutoFix. It's not live yet, but we've started building a system that automatically checks your strategy for syntax errors and logical mistakes before it gets deployed. Think of it like an AI powered QA for your bots. If the strategy looks a little off, the system will correct it or ask for follow up questions automatically. Um, and third, this one's really exciting too, which is a totally new capability of option strategy backtesting. So before this update, if you told the AI to build an option strategy, the backtester would crash. Now we fix that. And we're actually going to be able to open up in just a few minutes here, or a few seconds actually, the actual backtester and run these things. In fact, actually, let's just jump into that right now. Okay. So here's my screen. First things first, let's go ahead and show you the AI AutoFix. Okay, so this is a strategy that I've already kind of pre-written. By the way, this is not financial advice. Do not copy this strategy. Make sure you do all your own due diligence. I just kind of want to show you what this AI AutoFix kind of looks like. Okay, so this is really what it is. So it is extracting the rules. It's going to be generating the code, refining the structure, and in this part here, in the refining structure portion, it's actually checking for any syntax errors, any mistakes in the code, any bugs, and it's actually fixing itself to give you the most accurate and fast, reliable strategy possible, right? And so again, we already have this done. So I'm not going to go through it so we don't have to wait because it kind of takes a little while. We already have the strategy launched. Well, actually, strategy 30 just built right now. So we exited out, but it actually built as well. So actually, it was really, really fast. That being said, so this is an options premium strategy, right? So if we want to go ahead and backtest that, this is the second piece, right? Which is the options strategy backtester. Again, I won't really care too much about look back period or the ticker. I just kind of want to show you that this works. Oh, excuse me. This works on option strategy. It probably had an error there because of the fact that I did delete it before it was finished building. So that's something to look out for. However, this one should run perfectly. Okay, it's the exact same strategy. I had it pre-built, so everything would be a little faster on the actual live demo. And there it is, right? So this is all options strategies. This is all options data. It gives you that same great graph view, the equity curve, along with every single trade you would have taken, along with the every exact entry and exit time, the P&L, the return percentage, all that stuff. And so this is all on options data, right? So that being said, super excited about this. And so to recap, we have a complete backend overhaul with multi-region hosting, AI AutoFix coming soon, option strategy backtesting is live. And so if you've been waiting to test advanced bot logic, especially with options, now's the time, okay? So please subscribe, follow if you want to see more AI trading content. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And if you hit any bugs or have any questions, let me know. We're scaling fast and your feedback helps shape the platform and also the way I produce content. So anything you have, feel free to let me know. Excited to chat. Bye.